YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set and create rules in your Outlook mail. So guys, if you want to create the rules in your Outlook mail, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you go to your official website, otherwise you use the desktop application of your Outlook. Then guys, you simply click here. After that guys, here you see the option of rules, so just click on it. Then guys, add new rules. Here you see name your rules. So guys, here you enter your name, like I'm enter name XYZ. Okay, now guys, here you add your condition and add your actions. Like first choose I am on to line, my name is for pupil, subject, keywords, mark as message include. So there are a lot of categories where you can do. Here is apply to all. Okay, now add an action. In action you select what you want, pin to top, mark as read, mark as junk, category, forward to, and forward to the attachment. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. And guys, you choose any of the option and just select, and here you save it. So whatever your condition is set and what the action you perform, it automatically happens. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.